Hello, welcome to Jet Mathematics with your host, Milton Ebiwari John. Today we are looking at the topic quadratic expressions. Quadratic expressions. Under this topic, we will know the meaning of expressions and what is a quadratic expression. Then we'll look at product of two binomial expressions. The product of two binomial expressions will give a quadratic expression. We'll also see how to factorize quadratic expressions. How to factorize quadratic expressions. Then we'll see quadratic expressions that are perfect squares and how to factorize them. We'll also see the difference between two squares, quadratic expressions that are different of two squares. We are going to look at these subtopics under quadratic expression. Ensure you follow us through this series of videos so you can get the best as we explain this topic in details. So what is an expression? An expression is any mathematical statement that lacks the equality sign. Any mathematical statement without an equal to sign is called an expression. So that mathematical statement must be void of the equality sign and the inequality sign. So once a mathematical statement lacks any of these signs, then that statement is an expression. And so a quadratic expression is one in which 2 is the highest power of the unknown in the expression. So any mathematical statement in which the highest power of the unknown is 2, such mathematical statement or expression is called a quadratic expression. The degree of the variable, the highest degree of the variable in that expression must be 2 for us to call it a quadratic expression. We have examples on the board. We have number 1, s squared minus 4s minus 12. This is an example of a quadratic expression. It has 3 terms. But you see, the degree or the highest power of this expression is 2. The highest power is 2. And so this is a quadratic expression. You see, it's an expression because it's lacking an equal to sign. It's lacking an equal to sign. Example 2 is 16 minus a squared. 16 minus a squared. A squared is a here is the unknown, is the variable, and the highest power of this unknown is 2. 2. So this is also a quadratic expression. Example 1 and example 2 are quadratic expression in one variable. They just have one variable. These have only x in the expression, and these have only a in the expression. Example 3 is another quadratic expression because the highest power of the variable is 2. You can see s squared there, y squared there. The highest power is 2, and so it's also a quadratic expression. But in this case, this is a quadratic expression in 2 variables. Because we have a mix-up of variables x and y. So I believe with this video, you will be able to recognize a quadratic expression anytime you see them. Follow us in the series of videos that will be released so that you can get a maximum dose of how to solve problems under quadratic expression. But before I leave you, don't forget to follow, share, and like this video.